Hi, it's Jamie Thomas, and today I have a little video, just a walkthrough for you of one of the deluxe rooms at Saratoga Springs. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, so if you are interested in your next Disney vacation, make sure to contact me and we can chat. So enjoy this little room tour. Hey, it's Jamie with Click the Mouse, and I'm here at Saratoga Springs, Disney Saratoga Springs, and I just wanted to give you a little tour of the room so you can check it out. It is a DVC resort. It doesn't have a lot of availability often though, so you might be interested in staying here. So here's a view of the balcony. This is not a preferred room, but there is a little patio that you can sit out on. I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can see the patio. Okay, here's the patio with huge French doors. Two little sitting areas. It's quite a large patio. As you can see, there's other ones. Here is our view. Okay. And here's a little sitting area with table and chairs. And the sofa bed, which looks like it's a double. And I wonder if this comes up. No, a little footstool kind of thing. And this is a deluxe studio, right?
Yes, it is.
Double bed? Queen?
It's a queen.
Queen bed, which is cute. And we got a little TV area. As my husband would say, the TV's small.
Yes. That one, I will agree with you on that one.
Yeah, he would think that.
And that is just the heating panel inside.
Okay. And then the little kitchenette. The
mini fridge.
Sink, mini fridge, coffee maker, toaster. Wonder, do you get cutlery too?
Plastic
and
and
there's
paper,
a wine.
Unfortunately.
Plastic and paper. Well, that's okay.
Studio.
It's something, right? And then there's connecting doors too available here.
This is part of a lock-off, so the room next door would be a one-bedroom.
Oh,
so this
cool.
would be part of a two-bedroom.
Oh, by the way, this is Janet with Click the Mouse. She knows because this is her home resort.
Actually, Beach Club Villas is my home resort.
Oh, yeah.
This is one of the resorts that's great for staying at when you want to be close to Disney Springs.
Yeah, that's nice.
And you like golfing because there's the golf course right on property.
And there's a safe. Yeah, my husband would like this place for the golf alone. Okay, and there's the, I wonder if I can turn on the light. Well, maybe not, but it's a good size sink. It's sink, mirror, there we go, that helps. And then you got another mirror here for the bathroom. And then, there we go. Oh, yeah, it's a kitchenette. Now that has lights. And then, here is the bathroom with a tub, so if you have kids, you can bath your kiddos and all that. Let's see what the shower head is. It's just a basic shower head. Okay, so that's it. That's Saratoga. Thank you so much for watching this video of the room tour. Make sure to contact me if you need any help on your next Disney vacation. Using my services are completely free. So you can contact me via email. My email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can also contact me through the website, which is www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. We'll see you next time. Bye.